Angel. Hi, I'm Boaz. And this is the Angel Am.
Boaz,
We're gonna be doing a Pringles challenge. We're gonna be grind for load. And we're gonna eat spicy chips. And I like spicy stuff. There's gonna be four flavors, and this is mango salsa. 4 different flavors, and yeah. Wait, do we have to eat the whole thing? Can we eat it? Can we eat it?
Go.
Oh, I don't like it. This is, can I guess what it is? I think it was mango salsa. I think it was wasabi.
Angel, you were right.
What? No. Nah. Wait, which one? I think I know what this one is. This one, and we both picked it. I want one like this. Where's my cup?
Mango salsa
It was
or
wasabi.
nacho cheese?
It was wasabi.
Was it spicy?
It was wasabi, and I got the point. This is very good.
Which one do you think it is?
Chase is like. It was tortilla. Oh, it's a tie. It was a tie. Yeah, it was a really good tie. Give it thumbs up, but if you comment down below if you tried these chips before. Thank you for watching. Give it thumbs up. Woo! Surfing. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. What the heck? Why are you like?